Hello everybody, welcome to our today's video. Today we are going to do RE verbs in French, and our verb is vendre, that means to sell. So this is important for people who are watching who have shops. They can sell their items easily with this verb, and the verb's conjugation is je vends. I sell. Tu vends. You sell. Il vend. He sells. Elle vend. She sells. Nous vendons. We sell. Vous vendez. You sell. Ils vendent. They sell. Elles vendent. They sell. And an example for you to make it easier: le commerçant vend les vêtements. The shopkeeper sells the clothes. Thanks for watching today's video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos. Bye.